San Francisco issued another special marine warning. Yeah, San Francisco issued another special marine warning. It's crazy right now.
Surf advisory remains in effect until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. What? Large breaking waves of 18 to 22 feet long exposed. West-facing beaches. Locally fair waves up to 28 feet plus.
Yeah, San Francisco issued another special marine warning. That is absolutely crazy right now.
Hello, savers. Whether you're saving for that trip to the tropics or saving for an emergency, now is the time to take advantage of Wells Fargo savings options. Wells Fargo offers savings accounts that can help you save towards your goals. So, what are you saving for? Visit a Wells Fargo branch or wellsfargo.com/save to open a savings account today.
Wells Fargo Bank, N.A., member FDIC.
Oh, it's going off already. It's crazy now. Yeah, new special marine warning.
The following is an
No
emergency
water spout.
warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued
Yes,
a
sir.
special marine warning for coastal waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, California, out to 10 nautical miles. Waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, 10 to 16 nautical miles until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:31 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 24 nautical miles southwest of Point Pinos, Weibo, moving north at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, nautical radar. Until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open
Yeah,
waters.
baby.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather
It's over there.
passes.
Let's go.